YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today is officially my move-in day. I did not get to do an intro, but we got on the road at like 3 in the morning, y'all. And I was so tired, like, y'all. But look at this view. When we was driving, it was so pretty, y'all. Like, look at this. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But yeah, look at me looking like a baddie, period. And y'all, it was a 5-hour drive because we was driving to Atlanta. I do go to Clark. And y'all, look at all my stuff. I had so much stuff, y'all. We finally had stopped to get something to eat, like at 7 o'clock. I was so hungry. And you know, I had to offer y'all some, so hopefully y'all like hash browns. And then hash browns were so good, y'all. And this is my room. Got all my stuff, y'all. Did my thumbnail, y'all. This is the bathroom. One of the bathrooms. Kitchen. Another bathroom. This is me, y'all. Stressed out because I didn't know if I wanted to go to the store or not, but I ended up ordering from Uber Eats and I spent $291. Baby, we need to clean. But I'm so glad because I did Uber Eats and the person that was dropping off my stuff, he helped me bring it in. Thank God for him because I was struggling, baby. And I was still struggling bringing it, and I didn't even have a lot in my hand. He said, "You want me to carry any water?" I said, "You already got a lot of stuff." He said, "Give me the water." Okay, there we go. I want to write down in the mirror first. I'm short, y'all, so I can't get up high. It's not even really dirty, but I just gotta make sure. Let's play some music.
That's all. Oh, see, they say this type of music, though. I'll be your best again.
Y'all, my friend finally made it to the ATM. And she's about to be here. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Guys, I haven't seen her in so long. I'm so excited. I'm about to start my room now, y'all. Because it's looking a hot mess. I got clothes that I ain't even put up yet. Whoo, child.